Hey guys, so we're going to go ahead and assemble the diamond Hotend mount for the XLNC. And before we get started, you will obviously need a diamond Hotend. Any diamond Hotend is fine as long as you have one that has a fan mount on it. And you will need a Bowden style motor for your extruder. You will need to print out two of these extruder brackets from the Rev2 zip file that is on the Thingiverse page. Again, there's a folder within that zip file called Diamond Hotend Parts, and these two extruders, these two brackets are in there. You're going to need to print out 4 of these spacers, and you will need 4 of these screws here. They're number 10, 24, 2.5 inch long. You'll also need the accompanying nuts that come with them. There's also going to be 6 M3 by 30mm long screws that you will need. And that's it. So from here on, you basically grab this little fan bracket, and you can see I've already mounted one on my diamond Hotend, but it basically goes between the Hotend assembly and the fan assembly. Okay, so it slips right in there, and you just screw the fan back on. So when you put together these brackets here, they need to go in like this. You'll notice that the mounting points for the Hotend, they need to be facing away from one another. So this is how they go in. I'll take pictures so you can actually see things better later, but let's go ahead and put one side in. Okay, so one side is in. We just got to go ahead and do the other side. But before you do the other side, you should go ahead and mount your extruder motor. Otherwise, you won't be able to do that because once you mount the other side, notice there's no clearance in between. There's not enough clearance in between the two parts for you to stick a screw in there to tighten the nuts. So once you mount one side up, go ahead and grab your motor, and obviously there's 3 slots per piece here, so you can mount up to 6 motors, but I'm only going to use 3 of them. So stick one motor on, and then grab the M3 by the M3 by 30mm long screws, and you want to stick them from the side where you have a bigger opening. Okay, so right here. Alright, so the extruder assembly is done being put together, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so all of this is going to go and sit on top of the tool mount, and you'll use 4 screws to secure the entire assembly to the gantry. Okay, that's it.